Hello folks, here's a little tutorial on how to make a QR code. So I like using the app QR Code Generator. You can access this on your Chromebook by going to the web store, or you can access this on a phone by going to either the App Store or the Chrome Store. So look up QR Code Generator, and then you'll have to sign up for an account, and then you'll eventually make it to this window. So now what we need to do is go find a URL that we want to link or attach to our static QR code. So I'm going to come over here and click on the directions for our innovative thinking work this month, and I'm going to copy that URL, and then I'm going to come back over here and go ahead and paste that. Now it's asking me if I want to convert to a dynamic QR code. That's really helpful if you have a document that it needs to change. Businesses that have changing prices will use dynamic QR codes. Restaurants will often use this as they update their menu. But for our purposes, we don't really need to. So it's really that simple. Now, if I want to get fancy, I can come over here and I can change the look of the QR code. I can also play around with the color here. And then I can play around with the pixel size. But once I'm set, then I can either copy that QR code that is right here, or I can download that QR code. I can also just take a screenshot of it, which is often what I do. On a Mac, that's Shift Command 4, and then I can screenshot that QR code. So now you can copy and paste that QR code anywhere you want, and then when someone scans it, it will link them to that URL that you attached to the QR code. And check it out, you can also make QR codes where people just get text information. So like if you wanted to add a question here for people to think about, or an uplifting quote, or a piece of art or a piece of music that you want them to see or listen to, you can put that in here. Really, this is more text though, so you would use the URL for music. For a phone number, you can use it for that as well, or contact information. So sometimes people will put QR codes on their business cards so that you can contact them, or on their resume. Okay, so that's a little tutorial on how to make a QR code, and then you can scan your QR code and make sure that it works before you put it out there to the world. All right, thanks.